Hello, dear viewers. We're going to discuss an important topic that you might have encountered without even realizing: avoidant personality disorder. People with AVPD often avoid social situations, fear criticism, and feel inadequate. If you've never heard of this before or know someone who exhibits these behaviors, this video is for you. Let's dive into the details. Avoidant personality disorder is a condition where an individual constantly fears being criticized or rejected in social situations, leading them to avoid social interactions altogether. They often feel inferior or unworthy and believe they don't deserve love or acceptance from others. This can significantly impact their daily lives. For example, attending a job interview or making a new friend can be incredibly challenging for them. Avoidant personality disorder affects about 2–5% of the population and is equally common in men and women. However, it is often underdiagnosed because these individuals tend to avoid social interactions. So, what are the symptoms of avoidant personality disorder? Let me explain with an example from daily life. Imagine you need to meet a group of friends. A person with avoidant personality disorder would worry for hours before the meeting, thinking, "What if they don't like me?" Or, "What if I say something stupid?" If they do attend, they usually prefer to stay quiet for fear of saying something wrong. Living with the constant fear of criticism or rejection in social settings, they may eventually become isolated. Additionally, they are highly sensitive to criticism. Even the smallest negative comment can significantly damage their self-confidence. Now, let's look at how avoidant personality disorder can be confused with other disorders. This disorder is often mistaken for social anxiety disorder. In social anxiety disorder, intense anxiety is experienced in specific social situations, like speaking in public or asking a stranger a question. However, in avoidant personality disorder, this anxiety is more generalized and affects all social relationships. Also, avoidant personality disorder is associated with a deep sense of inadequacy that is more persistent than social anxiety. It can also be confused with schizoid personality disorder. However, people with schizoid personality disorder avoid social relationships because they don't feel the need for them. In contrast, those with avoidant personality disorder desire social relationships but avoid them due to fear of rejection. Regarding treatment, yes, avoidant personality disorder can be treated. However, the treatment process requires patience and persistence. One of the most effective methods is psychotherapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, which has shown great success in treating this disorder. In therapy, individuals learn how to cope with their fears of rejection and gradually build their self-confidence and social skills. The therapist helps them change their thought patterns and develop a more positive outlook. They are also encouraged to practice their social skills. In some cases, especially if anxiety levels are very high, medication may support the treatment process. However, it's crucial that the treatment is personalized. The process can take time, but with the right support, the quality of life for the individual can improve significantly. Living or working with someone who has avoidant personality disorder can be challenging. These individuals may constantly seek approval and perceive even the slightest criticism as a personal attack. For example, if you gently point out a mistake a coworker made, they might see it as a failure and feel bad for days. In such situations, it is important to understand their emotional sensitivity. Be patient with them and try to use constructive rather than critical language. Encouraging them to engage in social interactions can be beneficial, but be careful not to push them too hard. Taking small steps can help them feel more comfortable. If you live with someone who has avoidant personality disorder, it is also essential not to neglect your own emotional health. Seeking support from a professional can make life easier for both you and them. Remember, these personality disorders often stem from negative experiences in the past. Trying to understand the emotional struggles they face and showing empathy can help improve your relationship with them. Finally, raising awareness about avoidant personality disorder is very important. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself or someone around you while watching this video, consider seeking support from a specialist. These disorders can be significantly managed with the right treatment and support, improving the individual's quality of life. I hope this video has provided you with valuable information about avoidant personality disorder. If you are interested in this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. This way, you will be instantly informed about my new videos.